Oh my, the horrors of nature. A wasp eating a bee. It's just chopped it in half. Look at it. Enjoying that, Mr. Wasp? Mrs. Wasp, I should say. Nice. Wow. It's even chopped its little legs off, look. Why he's not thinking about it. Ah, shit!